Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device with Ampere app. So first we should go to the Play Store, and here in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just open the app here, click yes I agree, be close, tap to OK, and here you can see the information with the temperature of our device battery. In our case that's 28.7 degrees. So here you can find more information about our device battery and more other info like the Android version, model of our device, and more info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.